Good morning, everyone. Our report is all about business websites. So, what is a website? A website is a collection of related web pages, images, videos, or other digital assets that are addressed relative to a common resources locator, or URL, often consisting of both the domain name or, in rare cases, the IP address. In the root path, the entering probability network website is at least one web server accessible via a network such as the private local or network. So like for example, online store website. So an online store website is a website where people can buy products. So diri tama. So ang aning online store website dili makapalit ang mga tao o mga product and mga product. So, example what is educational website. Ang educational website, it is a teacher's lesson of shared information. So, kanang educational website, dahil magkuha ng mga pan sa mga information, so, and mga kanang okay. What is a website for a business? Website for a business is an important part of your business. Online presence. A good website help customers find and contact and promote your products and services and boost your brand and reputation. So, ang website is nakatabang din sa atong app, sa atong business. Okay, like for example, na ako yung business. So, kailangan din ako i-backcam daw ko ituan. Kailangan din ako ituan. Kailangan daw. Pero ito na ako ituan sa website para ma-promote ba ako ang business. Website service a digital introduction to your business. It can be as simple or comprehensive as you want. However, a business website must include information about your product or services, your team, and your brand message.